Hi, I'm Mick Sadler and today we're going to review this. Well, would you like the hat? Do you think that's worth having? Please leave a comment to whether I should keep the hat or not. It might appeal to a younger audience. Anyway, today we're here to review this, which is the Godox S2 flash bracket. Now, we were sent this by per gear, Eric, and thanks very much. There's no preconditions or anything, so I can say what I want. But it's pretty good. Before the Godox design, we had a flash bracket that looked like this, and it was sort of suspended by a cold shoe here, and the speed light was suspended in the middle, which, you know, it's a sturdy old flash bracket, but it left that speed light a bit vulnerable. But now we've got the Godox style, and this is the S2. The S1 was slightly bigger than this, and yeah, this is sort of all new design and really robust. And although some of this is plastic, it's pretty good design, pretty good finish, and they've updated this handle here, whereas it used to be a bit of a ratchet, but now it's very smooth, locks off and it locks solid. So what happens is the speed light actually gets clamped in here. So we clamp the speed light in there. Now this bracket does take an umbrella, and it just slips in and slips out like that, and accordingly you can use any Bowens fit modifier on the front of this. We've got a standard reflector, and it fits on like that. So all round, this is really a super looking bit. It will take any of the Godox flashes now, and if you can see on the bottom, it's got a sort of cutout, so you can move that out, you can raise this up, you can even put an AD 400 in there. That clips in, and so it really is versatile, and accordingly it will take anything you like. So today we're going to do a little test using the standard reflector and the flash, and we'll see how we get on. Right, this is our setup. We've got the speed light in the Godox S2, and we've got the standard reflector on with a piece of tracing paper over the top just to soften the light. Now we've got a flash meter, which we're going to get to test out. We're on 128th power on our Yongnuo 563 flash, and we're going to set that in to the camera, and we're going to take that shot. So we'll take that shot. So we're at the sync speed, which is 2/50th, and we need to put on a 2-second timer. So it's going to be 2-second timer. Okay, this is the first picture, and because the light is a fair amount away, because of the inverse square law of light, then everything is quite even. Yeah, it looks quite nice. Lower the flash somewhat so that we can get a longer shadow in the back. So we're bringing down the flash now. We're sort of a different exposure. Now I'm using this flash meter, which is a good idea, and if you can afford one then get it, but otherwise you can do it by trial and error. So we're going to test this. This is at f5, so we're going to up our aperture to f5, then we're going to take the shot again. A 2-second timer. So this next shot is much more dramatic, and we've got the light a lot closer, so there's more fall off, and it sort of makes quite a dramatic sort of picture because the shadows are much deeper. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. How no hat. And we'll see you again next time. Distance from the flash, that will be the same, exact same exposure. I got 2-second timer and flash. Well, speak too soon, and